Hello everyone, welcome back. We are still looking at the monophthongs that we have. All right, this time around we are looking at vowel number 6 and 7. Last time we treated 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, then this is 6 and this is 7. Vowel number 6 is O, short, and 7 is O, respectively. Find this on the board. O, 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 O. See the transcription here. I mean the sounds as they are supposed to be pronounced. Then we have the varieties of spelling as usual under the short O. So in this case, we have the one that comes in form of OU, and we have cough. Cough. Now, I guess you've learned a lot. Now you can transcribe cough simply as this. You know, wonderful. All right, that's cough. Then transcribe trough. It shouldn't give you headache anymore. When you have T plus root sound plus this, all right, plus this, that's trough. Okay, that's trough. And then we have pots. All this shouldn't give headache at all. Once you know your sounds, just add them up and then it will give you the transcription you want. Okay, pots, not lost. If I want to transcribe the three, now very easy. I'll just put this plus this plus this. Then not give me this plus this plus this. Then lost will give me this plus this, which is this, respectively. All right, very wonderful. Then let's see uh, another variety of spelling. After O here, we have A. And in this case, you have what? Don't forget, we're going to be underlining a lot of this, and this. Okay? Yes, and we have what here, which is A, what? We have A sound here. All right, then sausage. We have sausage. Then under this, we have, AU2 coming as short up. Then we have because, not because, it's because, all right? Then we have the normal E, all right? Not enter, not enter, entrepreneur, all right? It's entro. So it means this will come in form of this sound, all right? Entrepreneur, all right? So that's that. Then if this is short up, we are going to look at the long okay? And it will receive colon like this. Then we have the varieties of letters or spellings under the long or. And we have the first one as OA. All right, this OA taken together as birds, birds. Then we can have broad too. All right, can you transcribe both? All right, I think you can. Then we have a case of this, then plus this, plus this. That's that. Broad. What was the first sound you heard? B plus R sound plus O plus D. All right, so that's that. Then we have another variety of spelling, which is what? AU. We have taught and caught, respectively. That's past tense of teach, taught. Then past tense of cash, caught. So we have the two there. So by way of transcription now, you can have this coming as, this plus this AU will give you this long O, which is this, all right, plus the next sound you hear. Then cut. See, we came to K, all right, plus this, all right, we give you this. So that's for that. In terms of transcribing the two words, all right, that's thought and cut respectively. Then we talk about brought and fought. Brought, fought. Very easy to transcribe all of these words, okay? If I want to transcribe brought and fought, all right, what do I have? Brought. What's the first sound you hear? Follow me up. B. What's the next sound? Re sound. What's the next sound? Oh, and that's all sound here. All right, this is all sound. So what you do is to just add like this. What's the last sound? T. That's, you check Daniel Jones, you check Oxford, dictionary. Anyone you check, whether OED, you find that it's the same transcription. It doesn't change. All right. Then what about fourth? It's the easiest. You check fifth sound plus O. All right, plus this. That's how to transcribe. Then you talk about the variety of spelling too. OOR. where you have door. All right? Yes. We have this here. We have this. Okay? Then we have this. We have this. Then this. This. What about door? OOR, then floor. OOR too. So if I want to transcribe both now, what will I do? Is it not easy to transcribe? It should be easy for you. Because all you need to do is to follow the first sound, which is this sound, right? Then follow the next sound. What's the next sound? It's O. Put your colon. That's all. You transcribed it. That's do. Okay? Yes, if I want to transcribe floor, what do? I put this plus this. I put this. All right? But at times, you can still put this R at the end or this there. Okay? But sometimes, you may choose not to. Then we have another variety of spelling, which is A. Under this, we have water. Water. All right? Water. So in this case, you have this. All right? Water. Transcribe water. It will be easy to transcribe water. So in that case, I'll have the W sound. All right? Follow me up. We have this. Not water, but what? What? All right? Then you have this. Okay? Plus T. Remember I told you ER changes to schwa, and this is schwa sound. So water. All right? Water. So that's that. Then you have another variety of spelling there, which is AL respectively. All right? Under the AL, you have talk, you have walk, and you have a talk. All right? Yes. That means AL is to be taken together as one sound, which is O, and this is it. So you don't bother yourself about the L. All right? So we talk about talk. Transcription will be this. This. Okay, so that's that. And it's similar when you transcribe walk and talk respectively. Then we have another variety of spelling there, which is what? Saw and raw, respectively. So what do you have there? You have having underlined this now. Then you have the case of what? Saw, which is transcribed this way, as you know, this plus this. Finish. That's all. All right. If I want to transcribe raw, I'll do it this way. I'll do it this way. Okay. The consonant sound R plus this sound will give us the two words, saw and raw respectively. Then you have pour, sauce. All right. I believe you can transcribe pour and sauce respectively. If you can, then let's see what you can do. I guess this is what you will do if you want to transcribe. Now let's see that pour then. The first sound that comes to your mind right now is what? P. That also. Then O, which is long one, will give you this. Then also. Then which means you add this. What's the next sound you hear? Did you hear any other sound? No. That means the transcription will end there. So no other sound occurs. All right. Then if you want to transcribe sauce, what do? What's the first sound you hear? You heard S, right? So you put it there. What's the next sound? O. And that's what O sound here, where you have this. All right. What's the next sound in here? Again, it is what? That's sauce. You have transcribed it. Finish. So you transcribe by means of the words or the sounds you hear. You don't bother yourself sometimes about spellings. All right. If you are too concerned about spelling, you won't know how to transcribe. All right. For example, somebody who wants to transcribe the word brought. Want to transcribe the word brought, past tense of bring, and you bother yourself too much about you, about H. All right. The fact remains that these sounds do not come out, so it's none of your business. By transcription, all I heard is this B. The next sound I heard is the real sound. The next sound, O, which is long. The next sound, forget about G and H, they didn't come out as sounds. So the next sound is brought. The sound is out already, and the transcription is ready for use. Then we talk about pour more. I guess you can transcribe this. Okay, pour and more. That's P plus this. Finish. That's all. All right. So don't forget that. All right. We can have another variety here. OR. All these ones are very easy. If you want to transcribe pot, what you have is P plus this plus T. That's what it will give you. Then spot. s plus p plus this, then plus t again. All right, don't forget. What I'm trying to say is this. See this pot plus p plus this will give you spot. Pot will give you this. All right, we have transcribed this already. Then pour more. They are very easy to transcribe. That's p plus this. All right. Then what about more? Me, that's m plus this will give you that. Then that word too. All right. First of all, let's see this. All right. This word is pronounced as glorify, not glorify. Don't glorify God. You glorify. Glorify. Okay? That's glorify. Glory to God. Then this one, glory picture, no glory. All right? So we have this here and then this. Okay? So that's that for vowel 6 and 7. All right? So that in our next class, we continue with vowel 8 and the rest.